So far in time, I've been whipped up in night. I've been whipped up in whip my fists up in dry. I've been whipped up in time. I've been whipped up in night. I've been working in time. I've been with my inside. I've been inside.
Hey guys, so this is day 4 or 5 of us being in London. I didn't vlog much yesterday night. Anyways, well, now we are heading to go walk in Haddon Town, and I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're just gonna, I don't know, have fun, I guess. But bye guys, this is my fit, by the way. It's freezing, but it's okay. Anyways, talk to you guys later. So we are going to probably go biking. We're trying to figure out how this thing works. Quickest way to hire. Why is it hire a bike? What's the difference between hire and ride? That's what I'm wondering. Oh, each extra. Okay, I'm gonna do higher. I don't know what that means. Yeah. 165, that is good. Okay, so touch to begin.
No, you were saying that there's more of these over there.
I'll take the low one. So yeah, I'm gonna do oh yeah, smart. Find nearby. There's also a nearby station. Okay guys, this is the bikes. Why is my camera keep doing that? This is the... Oh, it's wet. It's okay, I'll clean it. I think I'll use this one. I like this one. This one just speaks to me. I wish it was electric. I think I'm actually kind of scared. Nah, it's okay. I'll do it. Oh, you mean... I was like, wait, what? I think... Wait. Okay. That's it? Michelle! Don't look back. Oh, shit. Okay.
It's a pavement, yeah?
Yeah, I don't think we're supposed to do this on the pavement. I think we're supposed to do it on the pavement. I know. Yeah, I think it's on the road. Where? I think here. We're riding our bikes to the place. I'm taking this off now. The bandana. I feel like I look like a gay.
Yeah, the boy Juicy J. Yeah. You know, from the
Yeah, it's very dangerous to record.
She know how to back it up and drop it down. Yeah. She know she want all the fellas looking at. Cause they know soon as a song come on, it's a rap. Yeah. And she loves the attention that she get when she move, yeah. Showing out with her homegirls, hypnotizing all the dudes, oh. And she knows.
Ballet, motherfucking call them over. He's looking like I be all up in this club, all up in this club. They tell us, and the only way I know we get the hoes and them hoes just tell us. Got that juice, killed it, but told it. Man, I can't even lie.
I want that.
Baby, what's your major, what's your sign? Cause I like what I be seeing from behind. You got them red bottoms, them true religions be tied up on your thigh. You know what you're doing, so keep on.
Should I?
Are they your sign?
Girl, I'm trying to loosen you. Half and half of that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gonna be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking like the 4th of July. You're officially coming with me. You got that.
Oh, I did it. I needed to do it.
Your friends hating, we don't care what they think.
You found us.
Tell me why. We chuck them deuces and when we pass by.
She bad, mix her at you with the classic. Oh, so bad, I just couldn't let her pass me. No, no. I told her, show that you so right, but you so wrong. So wrong.
Guys, so we are currently at an Italian. We're currently at an Italian restaurant called La Mamma Mia.
Yeah. Like I got a Coke to go with my good meal. We got free bread.
We have free bread with pasta.
We have a little piece left. And yeah, we're gonna. This was Shadera's friend's recommendation, so we're gonna see.
Yeah, it better be good. It better be good. It's gonna come for you. But anyways, I have my water. I ordered some good pasta. I hope it's good. Honestly, I don't have an appetite.
We
I
found
don't know
out
why.
Chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo is an American thing. Oh,
It doesn't exist.
Fettuccine Alfredo.
Because it's artificial. Artificial stuff are not like a thing. They're illegal in like, you know, London. So it's crazy. This is crazy.
How do you like your bread? Look at him enjoying his bread. You don't like it?
Alright. How do you like it?
Anyways, I think I can show you guys, like, nah, I think she's like making the stuff, so I don't know if that would be rude if I just like started filming her. But anyways, yeah, after show today, we kind of just like rode a bicycle. We went into Kensington Town, looked around, and now I don't know what's next on the itinerary. I should check it.
Walking around the market a little bit.
We're gonna be walking around.
Head back.
Head back?
No, we're not gonna.
Oh, okay. We're gonna go to, yeah, somewhere else. Michelle is a planner, so she has a whole itinerary. Hold on. I hope I don't get copyrighted. But anyways, because I know it's because of music. Oh my god, I'm scared. But hold on, guys. Let me show you guys what she planned for today. So today we're going to the road market. We're exploring. Yeah, cable cars is. We're not gonna, yeah, but I'm excited for the cable cars. That's the one I'm really excited for. So yeah, pretty chill. Pretty chill. I love it. It's really expensive, but it's cool. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, I will see you guys later. So enjoy vlogs from my phone because the laptop is. I mean, this is kind of hard to carry around, but yeah. Yeah, okay. This is the next transition. Boop. Oh, wait. Boop. Okay, y'all. I had to put on my mask. People here keep coughing with their mouth over, like, they don't even cover their mouth. So, I think I'm already, like, I think I have a cough now because of that. I can't afford to go back home sick. This is spring break. I'm supposed to have fun. People know how to freaking cover their mouth, so. Yeah.
I think you're fine.
I hope so. I better be. I'm coughing too and sneezing. This is bad. So I'm gonna keep this on so I can't afford to get sick. Alright, so yeah. Bye guys. Yeah. Hey guys. So we are walking.
See if you can recognize this place. It's iconic.
I think it's some Harry Potter, some stuff. Look at the time. I don't don't know. They said the Harry Potter dropped off here. Something, I don't know. I don't watch it. Never watched it. I watched it a little bit, so I know that he was running and he walked into a wall. But that's where we are. Now we gotta turn back. I think we had our Harry Potter moment. So. Yeah, I'm so cold. This is always cold. At least I got my perfume.
Yeah, it was a good day.
It was a good day. We went bicycle riding, all those stuff. And yeah, we got some Starbucks. And yeah, for now we're just gonna go back.
Calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown. Let me know, no, oh, 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 oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh.
I don't know where we are. We're in some place looking at stuff. It's so pretty. People looking at me like, why I have my mask on? Because y'all sick. Anyways, so let me show you guys how it looks. It seems like there's like a musical. I don't know. But yeah, should we continue walking? Yeah. I don't know. I haven't been vlogging because we haven't really been doing much. After we ate, we just saw this Harry Potter thingy, which I got on my phone. And yeah, that's about it. Not much that was done, but it's cool. Anyways.
Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 you got me like whoa, oh, 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 oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 lo. Yo, you sweet life, oh, 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 oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 oh, oh, oh. You got me like whoa, oh, 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 oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 lo. Another banger, yeah.
So I'll talk to you guys. This is such a good view. I have glasses on. Anyways, we will see you guys later. Goodbye.
Calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown. Let me know, no, oh, 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 oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh. You got me like whoa, oh, 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 oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 lo. Yo, you sweet life, oh, 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 oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 oh, oh, oh. You got me like whoa, oh, 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 oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 lo. Another banger, yeah.
Touch me so high,
oh, oh, oh. Baby, gon' give me your
touch me so high,
lo, lo, oh, oh, oh. You got me like
touch me so high.
The next morning.
So there really wasn't much to do today. So we did some touring and then we ultimately went to our cable cars. So yeah, this is it.
Hey guys, so we're currently waiting to go on the cable car. Should be interesting, I hope, honestly. I don't feel too well, which sucks, but I'm still here to have a good time, so good time is gonna be had. We were at Breakfast Club.
Oh yeah, that was
A long time ago. Now we are at Sky's. I keep saying Sky Song. Why stop? Yeah. I like that. So we're just chilling. We're at O2. I think Dream Cloud.
yeah.
A Dream Cloud something. So yes. Or should I say loft? I'm sneezing, I'm sick. What's okay? Hello. I love the word hello.
I do love the word hello.
But I love the word cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate. Cheerio. Bye.
See you 2020.
Oh, actually, let's stop.
We had a really good day, I think. I think this traveling was really good overall. Got a lot done.
Got a lot done.
London is a bit expensive, I'll say.
Very expensive.
But it was a good experience.
Very good
I love
experience.
riding
You.
I saw the Big Ben. I saw the London Eye. I did a lot of stuff. I had the British accent.
He didn't buy his perfume though. Look at Michelle just ignoring everyone. This girl has been a mean girl.
I have
the whole
one
time.
ear open.
One ear open. Which one?
This one.
Which one? That one that no one's. That one is even. You want to be hearing wind. That's what you want to be hearing.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna exit the train now, and
My phone is dead, y'all. So this
her
should be
phone is
interesting.
dead. So we're gonna record her, not be able to like go through.
We're gonna leave her here.
And there's always security.
Let's just go in.
Okay.
Let's just go in.
I don't know what to do.
Fate.
Didn't work for me.
I told you my phone was dead. But yeah, I still managed to go through.
It was luck.
I'm telling you. I'm a lucky person.
But yeah, today we had a very successful day, I would say. I would rate London,
I beg, where are they going?
I would rate London like an 8 out of 10.
Ooh,
It was definitely a good city, but a bit expensive.
very expensive.
People here are interested. They're nice, but very aggressive. Actually, not aggressive.
No.
They're just like
people are nice.
people are nice.
But if you pissed them off, they will be pissed
react.
off.
Yeah.
With the little accents.
The little, you've pissed me off.
But watch someone come first.
Police on you.
Watch someone come
man.
first.
There we go, Matt.
But
Cheers.
yeah,
I'll give
it
them
was
the-
lovely being in this vlog.
Yo.
I know one day I'm gonna be famous. So,
Oh, really? You're gonna be famous.
so to my future fans,
I'm gonna be
my
famous
God.
too.
thank you for watching.
Oh my gosh.
yeah.
President Michelle.
Yeah, I'm gonna be president. Vote for me in 2028.
28.
2028.
2080.
Vote for me.
I'm gonna save the world.
No, he's not. But yeah, it was lovely being in this vlog. Yeah, I won't see Shadera until senior year.
Yes, man.
That's crazy.
And I probably won't see this vlog until probably senior year. So
What?
just
Anyways,
making
guys, I
stories.
have 2 more days here, so I'm trying to figure out what I should.
technically one.
Technically 1.
Hello.
Wait, no. Oh my God, it is 1. If my plane leaves at 3, what time should I be there?
3 a.m.
No, 3 p.m.
Like 12? 1?
12, 1. Probably.
Knowing you 12.
Watch them say 8 a.m.
Knowing
which
you,
is absolutely
6
crazy. 6 a.m. Oh. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Brandon has become the key person. Tomorrow I'm gonna be the key person. Yes. Log it. I'm telling you not to do this. Ready? I call dibs on bathroom.
yo, me a new iPad.
Oh my God, mine's is cracked.
What happened?
My sister happened. Okay, it's hot. Hope you guys enjoy this London vlog.
The next day.
This is Gift again. If I sound a bit sick, it is because I am at the moment. My friends left early in the morning. I kind of slept from when they left, which is like 1 a.m. But I slept really late because I don't like sleeping alone. So I got ready. It's currently 5:11 right now. Yeah, it's currently 5:11 right now. I think I'm gonna get food. I was supposed to grab food with one of my friends, but she's not responding. She wanted to go to this place called Rum Kitchen in London somewhere. It looks good. It's Caribbean food and stuff. I was like, ooh, this looks really good. But she hasn't responded, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna go. So what I'm about to do right now is go to the local supermarket to see if I can get like some medicine because this is not good. I hate feeling this way. But luckily I don't have a fever, I don't have muscle aches, I just have shivers and a running nose with sneezes and cough. But luckily no headache, which I'm thankful for. I just don't want no headache at all. That would ruin the trip. So I thank God about that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go get dinner. There's an African place nearby, so I think I might get food there. But first I'm gonna go to the local supermarket and then I'll come back here, rest a little, then eat, and then go to this thingy that they want to go to. So okay guys, so I'm back in my room. I did buy medicine. I just took it. I bought I was gonna get ibuprofen, but apparently you need to be over 25 and show an ID. Showed my ID, they're like, this is illegal. Like, not even illegal, like this is unregistered. And I was like, because I'm not from here. Anyway, so I bought this one, Benadryl. Just took it. Hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. Hopefully I feel at least a little better. I also got African food. Y'all, I got fried rice with puff puff. It tastes so good. Like, I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna see when they open tomorrow because this is so good. Like, it's so good. I'm also watching like a show. Where did I go? African Spice is what it's called. It was so good. Let me enjoy my food. Bye guys.
Anyway, safe to say that the medicine did work because later that night I ended up meeting some of my friends and then we kind of just went out and just like had a lot of fun. It was so good to see everyone. So yeah, this is it.
Did you forget? Do it for life. Chicago that time. I'll push it aside. Wonderful vibe, wonderful night.
type of weather. She put her to the club to bust up a dub. She came with a man, I called in the sub. She giving her hugs, we know about the mud. She put in my hand, don't know what it was. She knows I'm the fan, but don't know enough. My trust is in the God we trust. Sipping on what don't do touch. She got her own fan, she need her a buzz. Might give her a chance, it's giving her. Out in the trance, it's giving her. Not on those ends, it's giving her. Nigga with bands, it's giving her. A nigga with plans, it's giving her. I like it for real.
And unfortunately, that was our last night in London. Well, honestly, what I hoped would be. And then the next day, we were to catch our respective flights. And yeah, let's actually just watch that day unfold for me. But very interesting day, I must say. Anyways, onto the video. Okay guys, this is my last day in London. I am packing right now. And then I think I'm gonna take the train instead of Uber.
She want the box, the one on the track. I on the track, yeah. I don't wanna just throw it when we ride. I get the corner straight, the wheel in the ties. The 20 hoes on the boat till they tied. Everybody on, you know you need me, my nigga. Just keep this shit real, don't you crap with your song. Who else woke up the city like us when it rain? It's a thunderstorm. I party at Shabba in New York and LA, where they keep on going to the dun. Shabba, 200K what I'm on. She licking out down my chest. Yeah, I told her I ain't trying, but call me sis. It ain't no dough, I put the racks in. Yeah, if you my hoe, I call you sexy. Yeah, got your legs, she so bad it's done.
Y'all would not believe what time it was at this point. Mind you, remember that conversation about what time should I leave if my flight is at 3? My friends were telling me 12, but guess what time I decided to leave the house? At 1, knowing it was a 1-hour journey, and on top of that, I would have to get checked, security checked, all of those stuff, and I did not even go through that. And that's what resulted in me, unfortunately, missing my flight. So here's me crying with the tissue paper and just so sad, hoping someone would come and rescue me and say, do you need help? Yeah, it was so bad. I was literally just crying and begging them to allow me on the plane, but they were like, you're so late. It was just bad. I was like, perfect. It was just so bad. And I literally could not even get a hold of customer support to like find another flight because everything else was like $3,000 or something, like so much. So I had to be on my way back to the freaking Airbnb. So yeah, this is my walk of shame.
I've been put up in bed, my fist up in dry. I've been put up in time.
Let me finish it. So this is like the finishing of my vlog. Hey guys, I'm on the phone with my look better. You're gonna be I'm on the phone with my sister right now. If I sound sick, it's because I am. But anyways, this guy's just there. Y'all may be asking, why am I still here? I'm supposed to be in New York. I am, but I missed my flight. Of course, I missed my flight. I had to pay to get another ticket, so I leave early in the morning. Actually, I didn't even miss it. I was there as it left, but they said it was too late for my bag to be checked in. This freaking big bag that I have, it couldn't be checked in. If I only had my bag, I would have been able to be in New York City right now. But I can't go without my luggage, like, so I had to buy another ticket to take me to New York City, and God willing it does, and I'm able to be home. I am still in the Airbnb. If you guys are asking, wait, how are you still in the Airbnb? So the person who owns this Airbnb actually made my friends and I book 2 extra days. So this is the extra day that I'm staying. It is not fun to be late. Like, it's really good to be punctual. I'm gonna leave this place at 7. So you guys saw me walk into the plane. I had my stuff. I was smiling, listening to my music and stuff like that. And then boom, they're like, sorry, but there's nothing we can do. You can't get a refund, and we can't put in your luggage back. You didn't even pay for it, mate. And I was like, shoot, like I thought I would be able to pay at the airport at least. But my friend, she landed safely in New York City, so that's great. It's really crazy because like I've had so many experiences in my life, or should I say recently, that I've been late to stuff and they were super important, but God managed to reverse it, so I was able to still be accepted for the things I was late for and still complete what I came to complete, you know? So just the thought of that alone is like, okay, You know, maybe it was like a settle, like maybe it was like me getting ready for something. And I feel like, boom, this is it. Like, it was trying to teach me, don't be late to your flight.
This candle stinks.
I can't believe I missed my flight, man.
Believe it, baby.
Everyone who knows me knows this is so possible. And here I was like, yeah, I'm African. Like, we come to the airport like 6 hours before. I came 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I'll see you guys in the morning when I'm ready to pack again. This time we'll just go on it together. Hopefully we don't miss it.
Next morning.
Good morning. We're gonna try this again. This is our next time I'm trying now. My issue is that this would not go down. It's stuck. I don't know what's going on. I think I just have bad luck. But I'm thinking if I should get a new suitcase or I could just ask them, can you just accept it like that? Y'all, the devil is a liar. Oh my gosh. Literally, it was the hardest thing ever to bring that thing down. So I just had to give up and break it off because they would have allowed me to board the plane either way. So I tore it off. But anyways, as you guys can see, I successfully boarded. And yeah, I was like, thank God. I'm so happy going back to New York. So yeah, very good trip.
Many hours later.
The baggage claim. And I got used to it. So I have to wear this, but I'm getting better, so that's good. Anyways, I'm so glad to be home. I'm so glad we're on our way home. Like, London was great, but I missed home more. So yeah, the devil really tried it. He really tried it. Like, I was scared because my suitcase, the thing wouldn't come down. Like, it was stuck up. And I was thinking, should I buy a new suitcase? But there was nowhere to buy it from. Like, problems upon problems. Like, my friend even said, like, I was not supposed to leave London because of how many stuff went wrong. But you know, I'm now on my way home. So they didn't win clearly, so yeah.